In 2003, a Harvard dorm room desk held a laptop, an external hard drive, and notebooks filled with rough website sketches and handwritten project names. At Harvard University, students carried printed Facebooks, and the printed Facebook showed photos, dorm names, and short personal identification details. This is Explaincast, where we break down how everyday technology actually works beneath the surface most people never see. This episode follows Facebook's creation. Mark Zuckerberg typed code on a laptop keyboard, while Harvard network cables and a basic server account handled the first early technical experiments. The first viral spark came from a website called FaceMash, using student photos on a simple voting page, causing heavy traffic overnight. Harvard administrators noticed complaints quickly, and the FaceMash website shutdown became a warning sign about privacy, access, and digital consequences. After FaceMash, a new idea formed. An online student directory that felt official, clean, and easy to use inside a closed campus community. In early 2004, a website page appeared with a login box, and Harvard email addresses became the key for access control. The first Facebook profile showed a photo, a name, a dorm, and a few fields like interests, classes, and relationship status. Harvard students sent invitations using email, and each invitation acted like a fuel line feeding new users into the same network. Traffic spiked and the dorm room server struggled, so upgraded hosting and stronger database handling became necessary almost immediately. A friend request button turned real relationships into structured links, and those links created a visible social map across campus screens. A simple friends list became addictive because every new friend added a fresh set of profiles, photos, and conversations to explore. Soon, the Facebook website opened to Yale, Columbia, and other schools, using the same university email gate to keep exclusivity. Each new university meant new tables in the database, more photo storage, and more load on servers during peak evening hours. Dustin Moskovitz and Eduardo Saverin worked alongside Mark Zuckerberg, using laptops and whiteboards to push features and handle early costs. Early funding conversations happened in small offices, where term sheets and ownership percentages shaped control of the growing platform. The company moved to California, and a small rented house became a startup headquarters filled with monitors, routers, and constant pizza boxes. The Facebook logo, clean blue design, and simple layout reduced friction, so users could move from profile to profile without thinking. Messaging tools appeared, letting users send private notes, and the inbox feature turned the website into a daily communication utility. Photo uploads became central, forcing compression systems, thumbnail generation, and fast image delivery from servers to slow home internet connections. Tagging features connected faces to names, and the tag data helped the Facebook database understand who appeared together in real-life events. The newsfeed launched, showing a scrolling list of updates, and the scrolling feed changed behavior from searching to passive consumption. Instead of visiting a friend's profile manually, users watched a single feed page refresh like a live bulletin board updating every minute. A ranking system decided which posts appeared higher, using clicks, comments, and likes to predict what would keep attention longer. The like button simplified reactions, and one thumb icon created measurable engagement signals that advertisers and engineers could both understand. As the user base expanded beyond universities, the sign-up page allowed general email addresses, and the platform started growing across cities worldwide. Scaling required professional data centers where racks of servers, cooling fans, and backup power systems kept Facebook online day and night. Engineers built caching layers, so common photos and pages loaded faster, reducing server strain during massive traffic spikes. The Facebook platform opened to developers, and third-party apps appeared, using permission screens to request access to profiles and friend lists. Games like Farmville spread across Facebook timelines, showing how viral loops worked, where a single invite could trigger 10 more invites. Advertising entered quietly, with sponsored posts placed inside the feed, making ads look similar to normal content on the same screen. Targeting tools used age, location, interests, and behavior, turning Facebook into an attention marketplace where audiences could be purchased precisely. Behind every ad, a fast auction system ran in milliseconds, deciding which advertiser won a slot based on bids and predicted performance. Data pipelines tracked scrolling speed, video pauses, and click patterns, feeding dashboards that measured attention like a measurable product. Mobile phones changed usage patterns, and the Facebook mobile app pushed notifications, making Facebook feel like a constant pocket companion. The camera phone made instant photo sharing normal, and Facebook timelines filled with live moments from restaurants, offices, weddings, and streets. Privacy settings grew complex because users wanted control, but the Facebook system also wanted sharing, growth, and visible social activity. Controversies surfaced and hearings happened with microphones, cameras, and lawmakers asking how Facebook stored data and influenced public behavior. Fake accounts and spam pages appeared, forcing Facebook to build automated detection systems using machine learning models and human review teams. Facebook acquired Instagram and WhatsApp, adding new apps, new messaging flows, and new user behavior patterns under one corporate roof. Content moderation became a huge operation, with policies, review queues, and internal tools used to evaluate posts, images, and videos. The Facebook identity system became a login method, and login with Facebook buttons appeared across thousands of external websites. That login button connected Facebook to other services, expanding tracking reach beyond the Facebook app into shopping sites and news pages. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit like, because the next parts explain Facebook algorithms, data centers, and feed ranking systems. Today, Facebook runs as global infrastructure with massive server farms, fiber links, and redundancy plans designed for billions of daily actions. A single status post triggers storage rights, feed distribution, notification pushes, and ranking evaluation across multiple machines instantly. What began as a Harvard directory became a behavior engine, and Facebook design now shapes news, relationships, and business marketing worldwide. The key lesson is simple. Facebook grew because network effects multiplied, and each new user made Facebook more valuable for the next user. If you want the next long episode on how social media algorithms actually rank your life, subscribe to ExplainCast and stay with the system.